Please raise your right hand.
Matapos ilahad ni dating Senador Antonio Trillanes IV ang anyay mga bank transaction na nag-uugnay umano sa mga Duterte sa illegal na droga.
So ang total po ng mga credits na pumasok ay 2.4 billion.
That's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family.
At maungkat ang pagpirma ng bank secrecy waiver sa dating Pangulo.
Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee and I will hang myself.
Nangyari ang marahil ay pinakamainit na tagpo sa Quadcom hearing kahapon.
Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong galunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sa isa pang anggulo, may sinabi pa si Trillanes bago umamba si Duterte na hahambalusin siya ng mikropono.
Sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended. Please observe proper decorum. We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning that the proper rules, decorum, will be implemented regardless of who you are.
Sorry ho.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng hearing, ilang beses na ungkat muli ang tungkol sa waiver. Tinanong si Duterte, pipirma ba talaga siya o may kondisyon ba?
I have to ask my wife to appear here and to ask her if she is ready to waive the bank secrecy law. Joint account kasi yan. So I had it back of my mind about my wife.
Pero giit ni Trillanes,
Just for the record, joint account between Duterte and Vice President Sara Duterte. So sila not the wife. Yun po ang dun sa nakuha natin. And just like what I anticipated earlier, Mr. Chairman, na yung pagsasabi niya na he's willing to sign a waiver, it's the same thing. It's always a bluff. Sige po, pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver.
Just to maintain decorum in this proceeding, and just to be fair, may we request the former senator not to provoke any resource persons because that won't do any good to anyone.
I apologize,
Please,
Mr.
thank you
Chairman.
very much, Mr. Chair.
Sasampalin niya ako eh. Ano ba yun? Hindi ba provocation yon? Di sinabi ko, oh, halika, sampalin mo na ako.
pero sabi ni Quadcom lead chair Congressman Robert Ace Barbers, sa pangkalahatan, calm and orderly ang pagdinig kahapon.
Well, I'm glad na walang expletives, walang foul language. Although may lumusot na iilan, no? Pero generally, it was all calm, it was all orderly, at higit sa lahat, and we were able to elicit significant information from him.
Kaya aniya, walang na-contempt kahit pa inambahan ng dating Pangulo si Trillanes at si dating Senadora Laila de Lima.
I call it is suffering from bankruptcy indecency. It's so unprofessional, it's so unbecoming, it's vile. Nawala naman ako sa kanyang ginagawa. Sumasagot lang ako ng mga tanong in a very professional manner. Tapos ganoon na magiging reaction niya.
Ayon sa Quadcom, sapat naman ang paalala ng Quadcom sa lahat na panatilihin ang proper decorum.
To some people, it looks offensive, no? To some people, this probably will be perceived as a playful gesture of the president. So, we really cannot judge, no? Ano yun. But of course, the attention of the president was, and the other resource persons there was actually told by the chair. No? Sinabi ng chair, let's maintain proper decorum. Kaya I think that was enough message for all the...
Pag nagsasabi ako ng imposible, biro yan. Pero pag naiba ang nagmukha ko, tapos nagkakagat ako ng ngipin, ibig sabihin galit ako at gusto ko magsalita.
Sa November 21 na susunod na Quadcom hearing, nang tanongin si Duterte kung dadalo pa siya,
maybe not. Bakit ba ako tatawagin nila? Awa naman sila. Mamatay na tayo niya sa edad ko.
At kaugnay naman sa bank waiver, bago lisanin ng Kamara kahapon, may sinabing kondisyon ang dating Pangulo. Kung pipirma siya, hindi raw siya dapat nag-iisa.
Lahat, hindi lang ako. Lahat. As in lahat.
Sino po? Sino-sino po?
Lahat na gusto kong ituro dyan. Pati yung nakaupo doon sa harap ko.
So may condition po kailangan po?
Bakit ako lang? Para makita talaga ng tao. Yan yan ang pera ko. Hindi nyo akong inaapi-api.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Sandra Aguinaldo, ang inyong saksi.